Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to withdraw from Watch Only wallet. So let's start. If you can't send crypto from your Trust wallet, try this. First, go to your phone's home screen, find the Trust wallet app, tap and hold the app until the uninstall button shows up. Tap it to remove the app. If you don't see the uninstall button, open your phone settings, scroll down to apps or manage apps, search for Trust wallet, tap it, then tap uninstall, confirm by tapping OK. Now open your app store like Google Play Store, search for Trust Wallet, download and install the latest version. Once installed, open the app. You'll see a screen asking for a wallet address. Log into your Watch Only wallet. After logging in, you can now tap the send button, enter the amount and recipient, tap to confirm. Your transfer will go through. This works because reinstalling the app lets you log in fresh. It fixes the withdrawal issue. And that's it guys. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.